اطلب العلم أخي فهو درب به نور به ترقى به تحيا.
Assalamu alaikum, hello friends and followers, and welcome to our third video in this tutorial series. In this video we are going to draw the columns and the walls of our building. So these are the columns and the walls of our building colored in white, and we are going to draw them row by row so that we don't miss anything. And as you can see, the columns and the walls of our building are symmetric to each other, which means to say that the columns and the walls of the left side of the building are exactly the same as the columns and the walls on the right side of the building. And in order to draw any column or a wall, we need two things. First, we need the dimensions, and then we need the x and y eccentricities. Eccentricity is the distance between the midpoint of the column or wall and the axis. In columns, we have x and y eccentricities as shown in the figure. While in walls, we have x eccentricity, top and bottom eccentricities. So let's start by drawing the first couple of walls 3B and 8B. Walls 3B and 8B are extended between axes B and A, and they have a width of 25 centimeters. Their eccentricity from bottom is 10 centimeters, and it is also 10 centimeters from top. So we go to Prota structure and we click on walls. Then we draw column or wall 3B between axes B and A. Then we adjust the bottom and the top eccentricities. Then we draw wall 8B, and it's going to be the same. Now walls 5B and 6B. They have a width of 20 centimeters, a bottom eccentricity of 5 centimeters, and a top eccentricity of 10 centimeters. And as you can see, the axis is not on the center of this wall, so it has an x eccentricity of minus 7.5 centimeters. Wall 6B will be exactly the same, except for the x eccentricity is going to be positive 7.5 centimeters or 75 millimeters. Now we have to draw columns 1B and 10B. They have dimensions of 25 times 50 centimeters and a y eccentricity of minus 15 centimeters or minus 150 millimeters. Columns 4C and 6C have dimensions of 50 times 25 centimeters and an x eccentricity E1 of positive 12.5 centimeters or positive 125 millimeters. Also, columns 5C and 6C have dimensions of 50 times 25 centimeters but an x eccentricity E1 of negative 12.5 centimeters. Walls 1D and 10D are extended between axes D and C, and they have a bottom and top eccentricity of 12.5 centimeters. We draw the rest of the columns and walls exactly in the same way, so I'm going to speed up the video while drawing them.
تخرج كالأغلى فما الروض بالزهر إليك تهنئة تلون فرحة العمر فينمو الورد
And this completes the drawing of 10 columns and 10 walls. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.